Good morning guys, in front of me is OnePlus Nord 6 and let me show you how to remove Google Ads. So first of all, enroll the settings, then find and select Google. Here it is. Now select all services and here you'll notice ads. Just enroll it and now mark delete advertising ID. So now, if you truly want to get rid of all personalized ads, just remove the advertising ID. As you can see, it will remove your current ID. Apps can still show you ads, but they may not be that relevant or interesting to you. So just tap on delete, and that's it. As you can see, it disappeared. Once you want to go back to personalized ads, just get a new one. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.